But Dr. Linger, I found out about him at that time. This was about 20 years ago. I've been coming to Dr. Linger now for about 20 years. I think I did a search on it to look for a doctor in the Charlotte area who did not use amalgam fillings. I've been to multiple dentists, a lot of good dentists, but they all use amalgam fillings, which has mercury in it. So I've been coming here. I'm sure he saved a couple of teeth that somebody else may have pulled out. And he does uses composite fillings, which I think help reinforce the teeth, whereas the amalgam is just it's a dissimilar material, and it just sort of fills up the space. It doesn't bond to the tooth and give it much strength. But so the amalgams are a disadvantage, in my opinion, for those at least two ways. And they also discolor the teeth. The composites are about the same color as your teeth. So if you open your teeth and I have multiple composite fillings. I guess it's just nice being here. It's like almost a circle of friends, and I love the people in the office, and the technology's superior or superb. You feel like you're getting your money's worth, and you're also helping to support an organization that does wonderful work. It looks very natural.
We're between Uptown and South Park near the intersection of Randolph and Wendover. Call us at 704-364-2510 or visit our website at www.drlinger.com.